Cardano ADA was at the center of attraction of the entire crypto industry in 2021. It soared more than 1,100%, and this dynamic young cryptocurrency outperformed both Bitcoin and Ethereum. There is no need to bring up the sour story of how Cardano has fallen from the throne and how it has continued to be an epic failure so far. Crying over spilled milk is pointless. It is just important to ascertain whether Cardano will reclaim its past glory. This is probably your definition of life-changing. Cryptocurrency is just at the beginning of its growth story. Bedeviled with the possibility of fading into thin air, it has recorded so many highs as well as lows. The prospects of the industry are also dimming due to the probability of a recession and stagflation. If crypto picks up momentum, there could be a massive increase in market value. The development will further help Cardano ADA to skyrocket again. On September 28th, Cardano celebrated a milestone, which was its 5th anniversary. The platform and its amazing community have come a long way within 5 eras of the Cardano roadmap, from Byron to Shelley to Gauguin, Basho, and now Voltaire. Cardano is 5, but it still looks far from its peak. However, the complete Vassal upgrade launch coincided with this special event and added some spice to the party, and introduced new capabilities which include Node and CLI support for reference scripts, along with a new Plutus cost model. Giving the whopping advantages of the updates, transactions on the blockchains rose in value. There was also an improvement in trading volume and developers' activity. A bullish momentum was set, and it seems like traders and investors were ready to jump into the Cardano pool. The Ethereum killer enjoyed the sunshine on the adoption front in September, either from retail or institutional investors. For instance, a Swiss crypto wealth management app added support for the ADA token after holding a vote. It tweeted, "We are delighted to announce the long-awaited, chosen by vote listing of Cardano ADA. Create ADA exchange pairs exclusive to the Swissborg Smart Engine." The Cardano community registered their support of the partnership as excitement flew across the social media platform. However, there are still some wide loopholes. A 5th anniversary does not evade the fact that Cardano ADA has been missing out on the big thing for a long time. What do you think about blaming Cardano's failures on the general state of the crypto market? The crypto market has been quite sluggish. Unfavorable macroeconomic situations have been the recent cog in the wheel to crypto success, especially Cardano given the way that it has remained volatile during the entire crypto crisis. The multiple negative pressures in the global economy keep rising every day. Inflation in the economy is worse than projected, and this is a major concern for the Federal Reserve. And with increasing dismal inflation values, the Fed is likely to have a more restrictive posture. Meanwhile, Cardano's supporters are still confident in the long-term potential of the cryptocurrency. Many criteria are posed to give Cardano long-lasting success, but still, we can't continue to bask in denial. It is a safe point to ask this question: will Cardano continue to relish in past achievements if the macroeconomic factors do not improve? On the good side, over the past few months, the Cardano blockchain has witnessed pivotal growth, and its developers are setting new lofty goals. According to the Cardano founder, Charles Hoskinson, the team is working on making Cardano a network of blockchains. Hoskinson explained that they would create a full ecosystem of interconnected blockchains, thus creating a seamless share of data and resources. While ADA strives to stage a comeback, investors remain cautious of additional pressures from the economy. The fears of inflation are quite strong. The Fed is expected to hike interest rates by at least 75 basis points by its next meeting in November. If the storm refuses to cease, the calm will look so distant from us. Also, just like you have heard from various reports, Cardano ADA has repeatedly failed to capitalize on short-lived rallies of the crypto market. The most recent one flipped the cryptocurrency to the 9th position by market capitalization. Dogecoin surpassed Cardano ADA, which held on to a total cap of $14.3 billion. Plus, Cardano had a 6.1% decline in its month-to-date performance. The next interest rate hike might not have a severe impact on the crypto space, and this could create sufficient breathing room for ADA to gain composure and push its price to higher levels. This expectation is strengthened by the prediction by the PyTorch-based algorithm of NeuroProffer, which has stated that Cardano will hit the 57-cent mark by the end of the month. This system has a track record of making fairly accurate predictions of future values. With this forecast, there would be a jump of over 40% from Cardano's current price and would conclude the year by recovering some of its losses during the crypto winter. While this is not the perfect forecast for Cardano investors seeking life-changing investments, it could be the beginning of a bullish run. A crypto trading expert and analyst, Michael van de Poppe, has also stated that Cardano looks to be in a long-term massive area to buy for investments. Vandepop pointed out that there is a massive chance for Cardano to retrace significantly after its epic breakout. If you want to buy Cardano right now, the chances of a significant drop and drawdown on your entry base on the daily time frame is massive. This means that it can easily correct 25 to 30% and still be bullish. But you have been going down 25% while potentially a better entry is granted on those lower levels, he said. The crypto analyst said that he would prefer buying at or below $2.45 since such an entry point offers a better risk-reward ratio. The actual pain is on the downside. That doesn't mean that Cardano can't keep running, but you have to wait or look for levels that are interesting to watch to take entry. I'd be looking around the $2.45, and second, I'd be looking around the areas that we have had around the $2 mark, he said. He stated the target zones for profit taking are above $4.40. What's the next target zone for Cardano based on the impulse waves? Well, obviously you can use the Fibonacci extension based on the previous impulse wave, though you can target $4.75 and $6.80. You can also do it based on the recent run, and then you get to $4.40 and $6.50, he added. Yes, Cardano's Vassal hard fork rolled out on September 27th of 2022, but the highly expected development barely spiked the ADA coin price. Investors who took early entry positions in the day preceding the hard fork were disappointed as Cardano failed to generate what they were looking for, big gains. While the number seems quite reasonable and achievable in the crypto world, several factors have restricted Cardano from achieving its target. It has remained in the red and seated far away from its all-time high. The hype of the Vassal hard fork has fizzled and the ADA is now in the cold hands of the harsh market condition. Amid this situation, Charles Hoskinson revealed that hundreds of projects are considered to be on the Cardano network post the Vassal hard fork. The hard fork could have sent ADA's price to the moon, but things are not yet in its favor. The new projects are yet to be seen and are probably not in the position to dictate an upward price trajectory, but there is nothing wrong with keeping our hopes up. I have seen hundreds of tweets like this one. Lots of projects are expected to deploy, Charles Hoskinson tweeted on September 23rd of 2020. Buying Cardano at 30 to 37 cent levels could be a good deal according to Michael Vandepop. He took to Twitter and stated that there could be a case of a break of a downtrend. ADA, this is looking like we are accumulating. The ultimate area to buy from in the region is from 30 to 38 cents. However, we will see it in the front run and people already stacking. In that case, a break of the downtrend is your long trigger. A price rally seems unrealistic at this moment, but accumulating it during the dip and holding on to the long term could prove to be beneficial. Cardano ADA's gains are not over. Besides, there is more to a network than just the coin. Much like Ethereum, Cardano allows for the execution of smart contracts, and one major area for the use of Cardano is in the financial world. Through its decentralized system, Cardano aims to foster banking and financial services globally. It's a game changer and definitely one that proves that Cardano is in safe hands. Of course, a life-changing feat does not just happen overnight. Price predictions may vary, but there is assurance that this innovative cryptocurrency is ready for a meteoric run. It is so refreshing to see things when you look at it in that light. But what are your thoughts on this? Let us have in the comments section below. We'll see you in the next video, but before then, check out our other videos to find out how Cardano is living up to the dream of being the Ethereum killer. And as always, make sure you click on the subscribe and notification buttons.